Take some deep breaths.
More?
Yeah, elbow up. Yeah. That's good. Slow wave breathing. It's actually coming right along.
Yeah.
So
That's
the
amazing.
the trick is now we're able to pick every hour how many calls, and then we're creating that red and blue zone. Red, orange, and green zone. So if you fall in the orange green zone, then we'll look at every 10 minutes of your data. But if you're actually in the red zone, that means you or the employee nurse will have to make a decision whether to get you the test. And then we can check if you're